You're introduced to LSD, and unless you've taken some other drug, like for instance, like marijuana or something, it's an altogether new thing, and you actually can have a religious experience, and it can be even more important than reading the Bible 6 times or becoming a pope or something like that, you know.
At Millbrook, children as young as 9 were given LSD. The drug was freely available, and everyone joined in its ritualized consumption. LSD was not illegal. Leary denied there were dangers and began a propaganda offensive.
The kids who take LSD aren't going to fight your war, middle class, middle-aged, whiskey-drinking general. They're not going to join your corporations, middle class, middle-aged, whiskey-drinking corporation presidents. Enormous crowds come out to hear me lecture. Whenever I go to a college, it's always sold out. It's not because I'm that clever. It's because they gave me the good lines in the show. Turn on, tune in, drop out.
Turn on, tune in, and drop out. Don't cop out. Grab your keyboard and rock out with your cock out. School is for losers, you choose the path. No points to brag. Paper or plastic, you have to ask. You come and laugh.
Dreams are big, cut from the cloth, no seam, it shreds. Live on the clouds, might die tonight, so we live for the now. Pac, was he tight, cause he died for the crown. High off life, no we high off music. Let us in the make, how else can we prove it? Blood, sweat, and the tears of me. Can't wait for the day for my kids to see. Pop on stage, fill a million seats. 100 million so in the first week. Man, wouldn't that be sweet? But life doesn't quite work like that, cheap. Roll up, blow up, until you can't no more. Oxycontin the flow, up all night and it shows. I want my dreams, so give them to me, please. I'll do anything, and I mean it to kill you and your radio stations of madness until we hack it. We'll just keep telling them. Turn on, tune in, and drop out. They want us, so we'll just give them what they want and let them know. We'll turn on, tune in, and drop out. They want us, so we'll just give them what they want and let them know.
Why would you need drugs anymore?
Well, that's none of your business.
No, it is my business.
There have to be 60 million people in this country who like to smoke marijuana, and it's none of your business or the business of the government to be
Doesn't this society have the right to protect itself against people like you?
Ghoulish.
What a perfect day for the kids in the city to go rap some hate. Too mellow and chill to be going out to play. So instead we gon' write and just float away. They ask me, don't you belong in class? I tell them no, I got my own lane. Fuck your rules, I don't listen to the news or anything you losers have to say. I'm on one, shit, maybe even 3. Got my own dream, nigga, I don't need a degree. Wanna see what I be in 2013? Nah, shit, you're tripping like you're crippin' and taking LSD with a red flag on, nigga, pass that bong. And yeah, it's cool, you can smoke for free. Me, yeah, I wanna live free. Fuck a corporate fact trying to tell me what to do. I graduated high, so yeah, my plan was never to continue school. Yeah, I got my shit straight. Of course my mom ain't raised no fool. Don't you hate those dudes who put you down cause you don't follow what they tell you to do? Homie, I'ma make sure I'm successful from the choice I choose. And I was born to win. I break controls because I hate to lose. So go ahead and tell them control freaks to pay them dues. We are making good music. All we waiting on is for you to
turn on, tune in, and drop out. They want us, so we'll just give them what they want and let them know. We'll turn on, tune in, and drop out. They want us, so we'll just give them what they want and let them know.
We teach the science and art of ecstasy. We teach people how to turn on or how to go out of their minds. By turn on, we mean tune in, to get beyond your routine ways of thinking and acting and experiencing. And we often say that we're teaching people how to use their head.